Okay, finally, let's take a look at how to remove JSON elements. And like the other operations that we've been doing on JSON, removing elements is pretty easy as well. So let's take a look at the code. Once again, we have our trusty phone book here, and maybe I'm not interested in whether people are married or not as it relates to my phone book. And so I want to remove the is married from the phone book application and just get rid of that altogether. So the way I would do that is using the delete command, delete, and then I'm going to say jsphone dot is married. So I'm just going to give it the key that I want, just like that. And when I save that, you can see that over here, the is married is gone now. So I can do that. Now, if I want to delete something like my phone, my office phone number, again, I'm going to say delete. I've got to get all the way down to that specific key that I want to delete. So I'm going to say phone, and then I'm going to say office. And that would delete the office phone here. Of course, if I am wanting to modify this array by taking one of these things off, I'm not going to use delete because that'll delete the whole pets item because I would be giving it that key. So if I want to delete, let's say Sam from that array that is the value there, then I have to use, I'm going to have to use pop to pop Sam from the end of that array. So in this case, I'm going to use jsphone.pets.pop, and if I do that, you can see Sam is removed from that array. So we've got a lot of different ways of doing things, but you always want to remember what it is you're acting on. If I'm just acting on an array that is the value, then I would use the key, but then I use the pop as if I'm acting on that array, just like as if pets was the variable name for that array, and then I would use pop to act on the value of that array. So it's just good to remember what it is you're doing and how you need to access the specific piece of that. But once you get used to it, it's actually quite easy, and it is a very powerful, very useful thing to have available.